Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add products from Zambeel to Shopify. This process allows you to connect your product sourcing account with Shopify and transfer selected products directly into your online store. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your Shopify dashboard. Then you have to click on this search bar, and in this search bar, you have to search for Zambeel, and then select the Zambeel app from the search results. Before selecting the app, confirm that its name, logo, and developer information match the correct service so you do not install the wrong application. Then, on this page, click on this Install button. Then click on Install, and it will install the Zambeel app on our Shopify store. Shopify may show you a list of permissions requested by the app, so review these permissions before completing the installation. After that, it's going to open up your Zambeel portal, but you have to give a nickname for your store that you want to connect. The nickname is mainly used to help you identify this Shopify store inside your account, especially if you manage more than one store. You can use a simple name, such as your brand name or website name. First, you need to also open your Zambeel account. So, enter your Zambeel account name, account email, and password, and then just simply enter a nickname for your store. Make sure you enter the login details for the correct account containing the products you want to import. Also, check the spelling of your email address before continuing because incorrect login details may prevent the connection. Then click on Authorize Store button, and that's about it. Now our Zambeel is now connected to our Shopify store. The authorization allows the two platforms to communicate, so product information can be transferred to your Shopify catalog. After connecting, confirm that your Shopify store appears inside the portal. Then you can just simply go to the dashboard, and from here, select the products that you want to import. Before importing a product, review its images, title, description, price, available variants, shipping information, and inventory status. This will help you choose products that fit your store and target customers. And from this screen, just simply select the products, and then click on Import, and your product will be imported into your Shopify store. Once the import is complete, open the product inside Shopify and review all the details before publishing it. You may want to improve the product title, rewrite the description, organize the images, set your selling price, confirm the variants, and add the product to the correct collection. You should also preview the product page on desktop and mobile to make sure everything displays properly. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments which Shopify product importing tutorial you would like to see next.